Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Rashid and today I will tell you that how you can insert a video in MS Word 2013. And this feature is the new feature that was not already exist in the old versions of Microsoft Word. So you just need to go in insert online videos, right? From here you have to search by different, from like you can search from Bing, right? You can search from here as well, okay? And video will be here, and you can embed code as well, video, okay? Then I will go to my channel, and from here share, embed, yes, and I will embed that code here. And so this is the way by which you can insert video in Microsoft Word 2013. So this is all for this tutorial, and inshallah see you in the next one. Thank you.